my name is Chindan. I have been born and brought up in Delhi.
Tell me your routine from early morning to time you go to the bed.
I wake up at around 8 o'clock, and then after waking up, I just go brush my teeth and I help my mother in some family chores.
But you said that you do singing and dancing on regular basis because you said yourself hobbies are something which you do, but it's not in your routine.
Yeah, and you also said you go out to keep yourself fit. Putting into studies, and you have just given one SSC CGM.
And you graduated in
Ma'am.
2018. RS is not a small other exam.
Administrative Service, Rajasthan Administrative Service exam. It is a small exam.
No, ma'am. Rajasthan Administrative Services nahi sent CCRAS. That is for Ayurvedic Sciences.
So 2018 you finished your graduation. 2021 this year you started working. Why did you realize to start working in 2021 and not in 19 or 20?
So actually I was solely giving my time for my preparation, but this year actually I started working because
So tell me what is science of fluxions?
sir, I'm not able to.
Okay, apart from Newton, who is else associated with the integration? Rather, he is the main, considered the main person by many mathematicians. What is a Riemann integral?
So
You must have heard, ये तो पढ़ाई होया है तुमने BSc Maths के अंदर. Ring theory comes under which chapter of maths?
so ring theory, I think it was not in my
It is in your module. It is in your module. Trust me, it is. I am from Delhi University. I had mathematics.
Do you think this background of mathematics BSc would help you in this job? If yes, then how?
There has been a very great mathematician who, in the Second World War, created a wonderful machine. So you need to tell me the name of the mathematician, the machine he created, because that machine changed the discourse of the entire Second World War.
Okay, so this was done through your college, Lakshmi Bai College.
yes.
So what tasks did you perform specifically? Give me 2-3 examples. What have you done, and how has it helped you, shaped you as a human being? So what ministry does NSS come under?
Ma'am, it comes under Ministry of Youth Affairs.
Youth Affairs. Okay, and I am assuming you must be getting a certificate or something once you have been a part of it. Something, a badge, a memento, anything like that?
So on that note, who is the current principal of your college, Lakshmi Bai College? Who, when was it established? And what is the vision or the motto of your college, and what does it mean? Okay, it basically says Satyam Jnanam Anantam. What does it mean? This is the vision of your college.
So it means that truth is something that always persists. So we should always be true to ourselves and true to our values.
You are speculating, you are just trying to guess कि कुछ तो बोलना ही बोल देते हैं. Okay, who is the MLA of the Rohini area?
So the MLA is Vijendra Gupta.
He's from which party?
So BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party.
Currently, you have seen the pollution is again rising in Delhi because of stubble burning and a lot of other issues. Tell me what is PM 2.5, PM 10, and what do you mean by AQI? Around the time of Diwali, what was the AQI of Delhi? So how do you rate your interview? What do you think about it?
Sir, अच्छा नहीं था.
इंटरव्यू के पहले आपने करी है रिसर्च, लेकिन बहुत सुपरफिशियल लेवल पे करी है.
These people grill. वहाँ पे एक IPS बैठा है, अगर दो बैठ गए ना तो and they are very good with GS, trust me.
Yes, and they are very good at individual assessment, psych analysis. Okay, तुम्हारे एक बोलने की उस पे पता लग रहा है that you are not confident. अगर आप नर्वस हैं उसको अपने अंदर रखिए, बाहर मत दिखाइए. आप बाहर दिखा रहे हो and you are repeating things because that happens when there is lack of knowledge.
यार आईपी ना ऑब्जर्वेशन पे चलती है. भले ही अगर आपको नहीं भी आता है तो आप उनको बोलो सर आई एम रियली नॉट अवेयर अबाउट इट बट आई विल डेफिनेटली वर्क अपॉन इट. सब्जेक्ट्स के नाम क्या थे, कितनी परसेंटेज थी तेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट कौन सा था, फेवरेट टीचर कौन सा था, कौन सी थ्योरी किस में आती है, ये सब पता होना चाहिए. एंड हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस?
Sir, it was good. It was really good.